Let's review creating assignments in Classkick. If you haven't watched Classkick video 1, be sure to watch that first, and then come back to this video. Once you're logged in, go to All Assignments on the top left. This will list out all of your assignments. You do have a limit of around 10 assignment slots. For a new assignment, click Create New on the top right, then choose New Blank Assignment. You could browse a library if you wish, or just create a blank assignment. If you just want to use Classkick as a whiteboard, then you can delete all of the pages, but one with the 3 dots. You can also add some features on the pages. By clicking up here, you can add a text box. If you want to type a little title for the page, you can do that, and you can move it around or change the text settings up here. You can bold text or change the color, and I'm going to title this whiteboard space and move it over here. There's a draw tool, and you can change the pen color if you wish. You have a highlighter tool to change the color or line weight. Those settings are over here. You can add emojis or symbols. There's a line tool, which is nice for creating shapes. You can see how it works right here. There's a link button that allows you to add links. Image button, where you can easily add images. An audio option, which is an amazing feature, so you can include audio directions. A drag and drop interactive tool. You would insert a background image and then add another image where you would choose which parts are movable. A fill in the blank feature. You would add the places where the students would fill in the blank. Again, you can use an image as the background and then add those text boxes. You also have a multiple choice option, so you can provide quick checks along the way. It will show you the directions over here. Then you have stickers. This is where you can add new stickers and assign point values, which makes it easy for you to check on student responses and allows the students to see how they're doing. There's a text-to-speech button and background options. There are preset background options you can choose from, or you can import a background down here. I've made a quick overview of creating and editing assignments and rosters in Classkick. At the top, you'll see all the tools available when you can create an assignment. And on the bottom half, you'll see how to set up and manage rosters and the locking options and how to find these settings. To make it easy, I've added a QR code on the screen. Scan it anytime to go directly to this page for a full overview of these settings. Let's go over how it looks with students. When you are ready to start a Classkick, go to Rosters and Co-Teachers tab. Click on your class, then you can hand out an assignment or start an assignment if you already have it ready. Remember, anytime you start a Classkick, you will always need to use the class code from the assignment. Students can use this code and their name to join your Classkick. Once your students join with the class code, you can click on the assignments to view your students. We will go over how you can go through student screens and give feedback. Let's take a look. Each of your students will appear in rows. You can sort them by changing the option here. The name of the students appear at the top of the page, and then the black box will show you which page they're on, which is helpful if you have multiple pages. Students can raise their hands for each page, which you can see here, or click up here to view all the raised hands. As students work, you can view their progress live. You can see they are solving 2 plus 2, and they got it wrong, so we can click on the page and provide some feedback. I can use the drawing tools and maybe add some feedback, circle or underline. I can also add a sticker. I can name it Try Again and change the icon as a pencil so I can reuse this sticker. And then once I save it, I can add it to the page. And I can use this for the other students' responses as well. You can see here that a student is erasing their answer and wrote a new answer, which they got correct. So I can delete the Try Again sticker and add a new sticker for the student. It says, good job. Let's click this back arrow so we can go back and see all of the students' screens. Down here, a student is asking for help, and now they've added a comment. You can see the hand change to a speech bubble. I can click on the page and then click on the Help Center button so I can see their question and respond at the bottom right. Once I respond, the students will then see their response from the teacher. Instead of having to go back to the main screen, I can scroll through the students' pages by clicking the up and down arrows. One last tool we will go over is a way to hide individual slides for individual students. The Cover Slides feature hides slides to help with teacher-led pacing and absent students. Click the slides you wish to cover for students, and then the slides will appear red once they are covered. You would click the slides again to uncover. In this video, you've seen how easy it is to add interactive tools, monitor student progress in real time, and guide learning with features like stickers, comments, and the Cover Slides option. Remember, Classkick isn't just a digital whiteboard, it's a powerful way to engage your students, support their learning, and give immediate feedback. If you'd like to review anything we've covered, scan the QR code here to revisit the overview page. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you feel ready to jump in and make the most of Classkick with your students. Thanks for watching.